From the Northway Bank Online Newsroom, I'm Gare McKenzie. This local and regional news update is brought to you by Northway Bank. Get big savings close to home with Northway Bank's Community Sense digital coupon book. Filled with valuable money-saving coupons from hundreds of Northway Bank business customers. Visit northwaybank.com for more info. Northway Bank, with 17 locations throughout New Hampshire, the people you know, the bank you trust. Member FDIC, equal housing lender. It's Tuesday, October 1st, 2013, and the Affordable Care Act, the new national health care law that's also referred to as Obamacare, is now in effect. For now, the most comprehensive information about the new law is available online at the website healthcare.gov. But local agencies in Conway are learning more details about options available to people shopping for a health care plan, and at this point can at least refer people to someone who can answer specific questions about buying a plan. The White Mountain Community Health Center in Conway is a primary player in the process in Carroll County, a private nonprofit that relies on sources of public funding. It basically provides a safety net for people who are uninsured or underinsured, a demographic the Affordable Care Act is also intended to help. Health Center Executive Director Patricia McMurray says she'll use federal grant money to train employees called patient navigators. In her agency's case, 2 workers who will become experts about the new health care law. The workers will then go out into the community to talk to groups about the law or meet individually with patients to explain what options are available to them on the new online marketplace exchanges. McMurray hopes to have the navigators trained and ready by the middle of the month. She also hopes the new law will help workers in the valley.
You know, the tourist industry, typically small businesses, and they have part-time workers and they don't provide health insurance. And the health insurance has gotten so expensive that more and more employers have not been able to afford it for years now. So we have a number of our patients that work 2 and 3 jobs and don't have health insurance. I hope it's going to work as it's designed.
Other agencies like the Conway Public Library will also provide information about the new law. Here's Library Director David Smolin.
The public library has always provided access to government information. It's nothing different from what libraries have traditionally done. To be clear, we won't be telling people what insurance they should be using or purchasing. That's not our role. Our role is more to connect people to the information resource and help them use that resource. And then it's up to the patron, the library user, to make decisions on their own.
Memorial Hospital spokesperson Kathy Bennett says the hospital is developing a system that will allow patients who are coming in for a procedure to have trained financial counselors examine their current coverage and see what programs they might qualify for. The hospital will also launch an online cost estimator to give patients an idea of what their out-of-pocket expenses would be for a particular service offered by the hospital. Currently, only one healthcare insurer, Anthem Blue Cross Blue Shield, is offering plans on the marketplace in New Hampshire and Maine. Tourists in Maine's Acadia National Park are going to be among the first to feel the effects of a federal government shutdown. And thank you. Shucks. Yeah. I got an itch. I got to start again. Boy.